Hello Kizomba Lovers, I'm Armand.
I'm Lavinia. If until now we focused on basic steps and circularity, now we are going to open up our pair and do something else.
With counts 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the first step I will open towards my left and step 1. On the second one I go forward 2, now same forward 3, and now I go towards my right 4, 5 and moving backwards 6, 7, 8.
For the followers, I'm having the same steps here. I open, same as my partner, we step together, and here he's gonna close me and I'm gonna face him, step back, then to the side, together, and walking back 2 steps and together.
In couple, I imagine that my partner has 2 doors, left door and the right door. With my forearm, I'm going to press a little bit here on her left side. With my palm, I'm going to press here on the right side and I hug her. When I want to open, I'm here. I try to put a little bit on tension with my forearm like this, and you see my partner opens. If I'm here, okay, I'm open and I want to close her, I want to press here with my palm and my partner will come to me. On the first step, okay, I'm trying to step and use my forearm to open my partner. Here, 1, and you see my elbow, it's here, close to my body, okay, it's not here or here or here, close to my body, and I hug her, I keep her close. You see here on the left we have a little bit of contact, and now on the next I go forward and my arm comes with my partner, and now on the third step I try to use her right door, okay? With the palm I press a little bit, she comes forward, I step with the left one, I go side marca and backwards 6, 7, 8.
Followers, for you, it's very important to stay close to your partner. When he opens, I need to make sure I stay close to him and create the contact. I step together, I keep the contact. Then when he's pushing me on my right door, I face him totally, step to the side and marca. Back, back, marca.
Now, some tips and tricks for you. The first one, I'm going to say like this. When you open and use your forearm, try not to go with your shoulder like this, okay? Or your elbow go like up or something like this, okay? Your elbow close to your body and use your forearm. Step. The second one, try to step a little bit smaller on 3, like 1, 2. Here you see my her body is preparing for the next move. When I use my palm with the left leg, I'm not going to step like big, you see, like this. I try to do it a little bit smaller, focusing more on her move.
So I can step easily in front of my partner.
Exactly.
Followers, for you it's very important to not step bigger or smaller than your partner. Just make sure you step as big and as small as he does it.
And the last one, and a very important one, from this position you can play with this move. I'm going to open here, I can do more step, okay? I can stop and go back. I can stop and do it on place, okay? And when I want to close, I close. Try to play a little bit with this move. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our work, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and
if you have questions, please let them down in the comment section and we're gonna answer them all to you.
bye bye.
Bye!